联系，谢谢。
Nothing tires you out like a big musical number, huh, kid? Go on, get some sleep, Simba. Hakuna Matata.
친구냐 마바기치 바바 하야야 하야야 나 친구냐 마바기치 바바 하야야 하야야 헬레레 헬레레 Welcome to the festival of the circle of life. The circle of life. Welcome to our world. The circle of life. Welcome to our world. The world comes to life. The circle to life. The circle. The
The stars have arrived. Now the show can really start, huh? Oh no, only all these people. I should have had my bird plate. Hey guys, let's not eat around and say hello to all our new friends.
Hey, hey, ho, man. Welcome. Walking away. Welcome to the circle. Your Majesty, in celebration of your arrival, we present the story of your life. The legend of how a proud young lion cub named Simba became the noble king of Pride Rock. It's a story of courage!
Friendship.
It is the legend of the Lion King.
我哋而家會講俾大家聽獅子王嘅傳奇故事。
Wow, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm very honored.
I'll be portraying myself, of course. After all, who else has my charm, my grace, my heroic physique?
And I'll pretend to be me. Who's gonna play everybody up?
I will assign the parts.
故事中嘅人物有
First, our villain, Scar. Simba's evil uncle. He plans to take over Pride Rock.
Scar， 先白嘅叔叔啊！
佢好奸㗎，飛兩個字，飛兩個字。
你靚啊！
Nala, Simba's childhood sweetheart. She brings strength and love to Simba.
娜娜佢生得又靚，身體又好。
Simba 真係有福氣啊！
But who's gonna play Simba when he was just a little guy?
係喎，咁邊個嚟扮演小仙巴？
Yeah, who's gonna play me?
Watch this! Come, hey! Whoa!
I'm gonna be a mighty king, so whenever beware.
But I've never seen a king of beasts with quite so little hair.
I'm gonna be the main event, like the king was before. I'm pushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my rock.
The star on the uninspiring me.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
You have a long way to go.
I think it's time that you and I arrange a heart-to-heart.
Kings don't need advice, I'm gonna be a customer star.
If this is where the monarchy is headed, count me out.
Out of service.
Out of Africa,
I wouldn't
hang about.
This child is getting white